Ike, Ike, Ike. My God, my God. Ike, Ikechi, Ikechi. Shout Ikechi. Shout the power of God. Ikechi, rescue me. Ikechi, 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 the power of God, the power of God, the power of God. There was a time pastor felt like giving up. There was a time you felt like giving up. There was a time nobody was there for you. The strength of man failed. By strength shall no man prevail. But there is a strength that rescues men. It's called the power of God. And that is what we call in Igbo Ikechi. It's the same power that can rescue a man. That is down and out. It can pick a man from nothing to something. From when my strength has failed me, when my gaze is weary and I can't stand on my own. 7 or 6 years ago, man, when I came here, I could not afford transport back home because I came with my team. We were talking about it yesterday or day before yesterday. No transportation. Because I don't think it was Mama that really, I think he went through someone. And so the person gave me 1,500 or so, 2,000 naira. And I went back home with my team. We had to lap, we had to find a way to go back home. In this same program that I went, after blessing people, I went back home. We don't lap, find way go house. But 6 years later, 6 years later or 7 years later, if my story cannot inspire people, I don't know what I'm doing on stage. When my strength has failed me and I can't carry on, Ikechi shows me. When my gaze is weary and I can't stand on my own, so sister, one no more yedika, she more ye when always your son. One no more yedika, she more ye remember always your son. I call him Ike, Ike, Ike. He's the power of God, the power of God. Anana kama imanu kubiki sanoma nanaka isimana kubebe rosive makubelada. Because of you, your generation must have hope. Because of you, your generation must have hope. They say nobody makes it in Port Harcourt to the global scene. Nobody can make it from Port Harcourt to the global scene. I've seen men, I've seen God raise men. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the same Port Harcourt. God is showing up for somebody here. I don't know about you, but God is showing up for somebody here. Hey! Hey! Some of you are tired of carrying on. In fact, after today, some of you said, after now, I'm giving up. I'm tired. God is restoring somebody's hope today. Because there is something that exists, and that is the power of God. The power of God starts when your strength has failed. Scripture says his strength is made manifest upon our weakness. That is when the strength of God shows up and proves that you're just a man. And he's God. Ike chimoma. When my strength has failed me and I can carry on, Ikechi shows up. When my gaze is weary and I can stand on my own, Ikechi shows up. Kwano moye dika chi moye wendo owe koyoso. Kwano moye dika chi makajiwa owe koyoso. Ike chimoma, Ike when my strength has failed me and I can carry on, Ikechi shows up. When my gaze is weary and I can stand on my own, Ikechi shows up. Wano moye dika shimoye wendo owe kyoyansa. Wano moye dika shimakajiwa Ike Ikechi. Have you seen what the Lord has done for you? When your strength has failed you and you can carry on, Ikechi will show up. When our gaze is weary and we can stand on our own, Ikechi, wanu moye dika chi moye wendo owe kyonosa. Wanu moye dika chi makajiwa owe kyonosa. Ikechi is the power of God that lifts a man. Ikechi mama is the power of God that picks a man. Pakataya. Ikechi. Everybody begin to speak in other tongues. We came for extol. We came to extol Jesus. Shakabai. He When my strength has failed me and I can't carry, when my gaze is weary and I can't stand on my own, Ike Chuku, Ike oh, Ike, 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 Ike. Oh, we are summoning the power of God. I don't know where you're weak in your body. I don't know where you're weak in your spirit. Now begin to summon the power of God. Multivitamins from above. Everybody, summon the power of God. Summon the power of God. 247. Every day you come true for me. I had no essence, had no meaning. You showed up for me. What did I really do to deserve this kind of love? What did you do to see that is right? Sing it out. What did I do? What did I really do? 247. Every day you come true for me. 247. Every day you come true for me. I had no essence, had no meaning. Baba, oh, you showed up. Ask that question, shout it out. What did I do to deserve this kind of love? What did I do to see that you're right there? What did I really do to deserve this kind of love? To deserve this kind of love. Jesus, I had no money, had no meaning, but yet you showed up for me. Jesus, I had no godfather, had no godmother, but yet you held my hands and you said, go with me, GUC. I will take you far. I will take you far. I will take you places. I will when I was insane, you showed up for me. When I didn't make sense, you showed up for me. When men despised me, you showed up for me. When men criticized me, you showed up for me. When men hated me, you showed up for me. When men chose their own, you showed up for me. When I had no essence, you showed up for me. When I had no meaning, you showed up for me. When I had no passport, you showed up for me. When I had no wisdom, you showed up for me. When I had no money, you showed up for me. Showed up for me. Worthy is the Lamb who sits upon the throne. Worthy is the Lamb who sits upon. Worthy is the Lamb. Worthy is. Just lift up your hands to Jesus. Who sits upon the throne. Say worthy, worthy is the Lamb who sits upon the throne. Worthy is the Lamb. Worthy is the Lamb who sits upon the throne. What did you do to deserve this kind? How much did you fast and pray to sit? How much did you fast and pray to deserve this kind? To sit at your right. God is saying, I'm showing up for somebody here today. It will be recorded that in extol worship, something happened in this place. God showed up mightily, and your life never remained the same again. It's the God of wonders. 247, every day you come through for me. I had no essence, had no meaning, Lord. You showed up for me. What did I really do to deserve this kind of love? What did I really do, Jesus, to see at your right hand? What did I really do